Yesterday, the broader markets fell dramatically in the SME and small cap space. A lot of stocks fell 10, 20, 25%. And today, it was just the opposite. Almost everything recovered. Most of the stocks were up 10, 15, 20%. Uh, the major reason for the same was the dramatic FII selling yesterday. As soon as that abated, the markets uh, came back up and went its merry way. Now, what did I do then? One word, nothing. In fact, at the end of the day, I did make a position in a couple of companies. I did buy Cochin Shipyard, and I did buy Gen Irrigation because the fundamentals of both the companies were simply too good, and both of them had fallen at least 30-35% from their recent highs. And I do believe that Cochin Shipyard will be a great growth story all going forward also, considering that India is wanting to grow its naval fleet, and Cochin Shipyard remains one of the best bets along with Mazgaon Docks. And Gen Irrigation remains a fantastic turnaround story. I've been holding it in my portfolio for some time, and yesterday was again a great buying opportunity, and I did buy some of it. So, with that out of the way, my suggestion to you is when such volatility happens, if you are a long term investor, do nothing, at least not on that day. It's always advisable to wait for a couple of days to see which direction the market is going in, and then take that buying or selling decision.